Samsung Galaxy S10 has entered a more divulging area, which has resulted into prototype leaks instead of some rumored info. We all are expecting 5G compatibility next year, and a carrier networking of South Korea launched a 5G radio station yesterday. Samsung CEO DJ Ko was also connected to this live session where they discussed about 5G speed on a mobile phone. Interestingly, this is a Samsung phone that looks like the Galaxy S9 from the front but has a horizontal camera layout at the back. You can also spot a hole in display on the top bezel. Ice Universe says that this is a prototype of Galaxy S10 5G version, and after looking at those specific changes, I totally believe him. Samsung must be curious to check their progress, so we got to see this. Also, this is a test phone, so you shouldn't expect it to admire an actual S10's look, because the company cannot disclose S10 in front of whole world. There's one more prototype leak that appears to imitate S10's look with a plastic back. I don't know what's happening in this video, but for your information, the Galaxy S10 will admire a far better look than these prototypes. Ice Universe says that the Galaxy S10 Lite, S10 and S10 Plus are all holding Super AMOLED screen, but as the S10 Plus has a dual front camera, we should expect a slightly different look. Additionally, there is a possibility of combined hole-in display tech on the S10 Plus. Now, moving to the most important information, there are some reports suggesting the ditch trend to be there on the future Galaxy smartphones. A lot of people are getting pissed off because of these rumors, but I have different thoughts with a solid reason. Firstly, these reports are based on a statement provided by this unknown leaker. Secondly, this leaker is also not sure about the massive change. I don't know why big websites are getting mad because of this guy. According to me, Samsung shouldn't be getting into the ditch group. Also, as the 10th anniversary S phones are very important for Samsung, they'll not get rid of the headphone jack at any point in near future. I just want to say, believe reliable sources like Ice Universe, Roland Quanet and Evan Blass because they are very much informed about changes. Talking about the removal of headphone jack, I'm also not 100% sure about this, but I also don't believe an unknown leaker. So yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.